Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block someone on Threads. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply scroll down and here you can select the profile that you want to block and make sure that you updated the latest version of Threads app. If you can't update, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now continue the video. You can see the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Just simply tap on the three dots. After tapping on it, you can see the different options. Here you can just simply tap on block. After tapping on block, you can confirm to block this profile. After tap on block again, you can block the profile, and it is a way you can block someone on Threads. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.